happening tonight at the Princess of Wales Theater, we've got the premiere of The Sisters Brothers. Now, basically, that's a fascinating name for a movie, using both words for siblings, basically. Now, The Sisters Brothers is like an old Western. But like that film with Samuel L. Jackson that takes place in winter, this Western takes place in Oregon. Now, Oregon is basically mountainous and like filled with trees, like British Columbia, basically. Now, the film stars Joaquin Phoenix, John C. Reilly, along with Jake Gyllenhaal. Brothers, basically ruthless brothers in this case. And there are some sisters too. Yeah. They also use the catchphrase sisters. So yeah. Now, I say script is like wonderful for this film. Alright? As it captivates by the mountainous scene in the Old West. Alright? But basically, Joaquin Phoenix was like smoking on the red carpet. That would be embarrassing. Like, really. You should basically put out that cigarette while on the red carpet. Alright. Seriously. You should really do that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Sisters Brothers. Premiering tonight here at the Princess of Wales Theater.